Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change video background in VN. So here I've already on VN, and the first thing that you need to do is import the background video or photo that you want to use, and then after that click on add sticker to add the video or photo that you want to change the background. So here I'm going to choose video, and here is the video that I want to change its background. Okay, add it to VN. Okay, so here I'm going to place it in here, and then after that, to remove its background you need to use the chroma options from VN. So here click on the clips, and then after that click on chroma and click on the color picker, and then drag the color picker to the green screen like this, and then you can adjust the intensity, and then after that you can also adjust the speed. I'm going to go like this and then click on the check icon, and here is what the video will look like. Okay, so that is how you can change video background in VN. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and don't forget to click like and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the next following videos. Bye.